In this video we will learn about branches of accounting. Number 1. Financial accounting. The purpose of financial accounting is to record, summarize, and report a company's financial transaction to provide insight to the shareholders. Its key features are profit and loss statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement. It follows standard guidelines like GAAP and IFRS. It is mainly for shareholders, stakeholders, and analysts. Number 2. Management accounting. The purpose of management accounting is to provide internal management with information for decision-making, planning, and controlling operations. Its key features are budgets, cost analyses, future project focus, internal process. Does not follow GAAP or IFRS. Reports are tailored to management needs. It is mainly for internal management and executives. Number 3. Cost accounting. The purpose of cost accounting is to track and analyze the costs associated with producing goods or services to optimize profitability. Its key features are calculates cost per unit, cost of goods sold, and operational expenses. It is mainly for production managers, financial controllers, and company management. Number 4. Tax accounting. The purpose of tax accounting is to focuses on compliance with tax laws and regulations and optimizing tax liabilities. Its key features are prepares tax returns and reports. Follows country-specific tax codes and legislation. It is mainly for tax authorities, companies, and individual taxpayers. Number 5. Auditing. The purpose of auditing is to examine and verify financial records to ensure accuracy, compliance, and reliability. Its key features are to evaluate internal controls, risk management, and adherence to accounting standards. Detects fraud or errors in financial records. An auditor can be internal or external. It is mainly for stakeholders, regulators, and company management. Number 6. Forensic accounting. The purpose of forensic accounting is to investigate financial discrepancies, fraud, and disputes. Its key features are to combine accounting expertise with investigative skills. It is used in legal cases, including fraud investigations and bankruptcy. It is mainly for law enforcement, lawyers, and courts. Number 7. Project accounting. The purpose of project accounting is to manage financial aspects of specific projects. Its key features are to track costs, revenues, and budgets for individual projects. Ensures projects stay within budget and meet financial goals. It is mainly for project managers and stakeholders. Number 8. International accounting. The purpose of international accounting is to handle financial transactions and reporting for multinational organizations operating across borders. Its key features are to focus on exchange rates, foreign tax compliance, and IFRS. It is mainly for global companies and international regulators. Each branch serves specific needs, from external reporting to internal strategy or legal compliance. Professionals often specialize in one or more areas. Would you like details on a specific branch?